That shouldn't happen. There should not be primordial galaxies that are bigger than the Milky Way galaxy that are only 500 million years old. Something is wrong.
The James Webb Space Telescope just dropped a cosmic bombshell, and it's turning everything we thought we knew upside down. For our entire lives, we've been told one story, the Big Bang, a moment of creation 13.8 billion years ago when everything, space, time, you, me, erupted from a single point. It's the story that JWST, humanity's $10 billion time machine, was sent to confirm. But when Webb opened its golden eyes, it didn't find the beginning we were looking for. It found something else, something that whispers of a time before the Big Bang. That's right. New discoveries suggest something truly wild. The Big Bang may not have been the beginning at all, but just a moment of transition, forcing us to ask a terrifying question. What if our universe is just the echo of something older? For decades, the Big Bang Theory has been the bedrock of science, our cosmic playbook. The story is elegant. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe burst into existence from a point of unimaginable heat and density. It wasn't an explosion in space, it was the explosion of space itself. In the first blink of an eye, a process called cosmic inflation supposedly stretched the universe exponentially. As it expanded and cooled, particles formed, then atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. Gravity went to work, slowly pulling this simple gas together to build the first stars and galaxies. The model was clear. This was a slow, gradual process. The first galaxies should have been cosmic toddlers, small, clumpy, and chaotic. For 100 years, this story seemed solid, backed by the evidence of an expanding universe and the faint afterglow of creation, the cosmic microwave background. Scientists were confident that when JWST looked back to this cosmic dawn, it would find these misshapen baby galaxies, proving our origin story once and for all. But the sleepy science of cosmology just got a very loud wake-up call. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to be a time machine, designed to see the faint, stretched-out light from the dawn of the universe. Its main job was to witness the birth of the very first galaxies, and it did. But what it found has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Almost immediately, astronomers were confronted with a stunning, perplexing sight. Where they expected to see faint, small clouds of gas just starting to come together, they found monsters. Within just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang, JWST spotted galaxies that were bafflingly huge and mature. These weren't cosmic toddlers. These were fully grown adults in the universe's kindergarten class. As one astronomer, Erica Nilsson, put it bluntly, it's bananas. You just don't expect the early universe to be able to organize itself that quickly. These galaxies should not have had time to form. Our models just don't allow for it. The known physics of gravity says it should have taken billions of years, not a few 100 million, to build structures this massive. Joel Leja, an astronomer at Penn State, said the discovery calls the whole picture of early galaxy formation into question. These grinds were so jarring they were nicknamed universe breakers because they create tension with our existing cosmological models. And it wasn't one or two oddballs, JWST found a whole population of them. To get how big a deal this is, you have to understand redshift. As space expands, it stretches the light traveling through it, shifting it toward the red end of the spectrum. The farther away something is, the more its light is redshifted, and the further back in time we see it. JWST started finding bright galaxies at extreme redshifts from a time when the universe was less than 500 million years old. Then, in May 2025, astronomers announced the discovery of MOM-Z14, a galaxy with a redshift of 14.44. This means we are seeing it as it was just 280 million years after the Big Bang, making it the most distant galaxy ever confirmed. It's a cosmic miracle, not just because it's so far away, but because it is shockingly luminous and already contains elements like carbon and nitrogen, stuff that's supposed to be forged over generations of stars. This hints that star formation kicked off way faster and more furiously than our theories ever predicted. And the puzzles don't stop there. JWST's observations have also poured gasoline on one of the biggest fires in cosmology, the Hubble tension. For years, two different methods of measuring the universe's expansion have given two different answers. Measurements of the local universe today show it expanding faster than our predictions based on the early universe. Many hoped JWST would prove the local measurements were flawed. Instead, early results confirm them with stunning precision, with Nobel laureate Adam Rees stating it suggests our understanding of the universe may be incomplete. While more recent data suggests the tension might be less severe than we thought, the discrepancy hasn't vanished, and the debate rages on. So, we have galaxies that are too big, too bright, too early, and a universe with a cosmic identity crisis. Facts don't care about comfort zones, and the evidence is mounting that something is fundamentally missing from our standard model. These aren't just minor tweaks, they are foundational cracks, and that opens the door to ideas once dismissed as sci-fi. The Big Bang Theory isn't necessarily wrong, but it might just be one chapter in a much bigger story. The discoveries from JWST are so profound, they are forcing scientists to seriously reevaluate some truly wild theories about our origins, including the ultimate question of what came before. One of the most mind-bending ideas getting a second look is the cyclical universe. Championed by Nobel laureate Sir Roger Penrose, the theory of conformal cyclical cosmology proposes that our universe is just one in an endless series of aeons. In this model, a universe expands until all matter is consumed by black holes, which then evaporate over trillions of years via Hawking radiation. This erases everything, resetting the stage for the next Big Bang. And what's revolutionary about it is that it implies the Big Bang wasn't a creation from nothing, but a transition, a reboot. And if it's a reboot, could information have leaked through? Some researchers now speculate that the impossibly massive galaxies and black holes JWST is seeing might be relics, leftovers from a previous aeon. This would explain why they look so mature so quickly. They had a cosmic head start, a blueprint passed down from a universe that existed before ours. And adding another layer to this mystery is a bizarre type of object JWST may have found, candidates for dark stars. These are theoretical giants from the early universe, not powered by fusion like our sun, but by the annihilation of dark matter. A dark star could grow to be 1,000,000 times the mass of our sun and 1,000,000,000 times brighter. If confirmed, their existence could explain the rapid formation of the supermassive black holes JWST is finding at the cosmic dawn, proving entirely new physics is at play. When you put it all together, fully grown galaxies in the universe's infancy, ancient black holes that shouldn't exist, and the possibility of stars powered by unknown physics, the picture gets clear. We're looking at a cosmic history we never knew existed. The idea that our universe is just one in an eternal cycle shatters our entire conception of a beginning and an end. The James Webb Space Telescope wasn't built to break the Big Bang Theory, but it's revealing that our best story ever told is at best unfinished. The so-called universe breakers and the stubborn Hubble tension aren't problems, they are revelations. They are the universe telling us that reality is far stranger, more chaotic, and more infinite than we ever imagined. The old simple narrative of a single Big Bang is giving way to a messier, more profound picture that might include previous universes and cosmic inheritances. We're like ancient cartographers who've just stumbled upon a new continent. We are at the start of a revolution in our view of the cosmos. The data keeps pouring in, and the pieces of a new cosmic puzzle are falling into place, forming a picture more beautiful and bizarre than anything we could have dreamed. And if you want to stay on the front lines of that discovery, to hear about the next piece of the puzzle as soon as it's found, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. The universe has a new story to tell, and you won't want to miss it.